They're waivers, those waiver people. Comment below. All right, comment down below. This is like the most important thing in any of my videos. Comment down below if you hate those people at always stops that they should obviously just go, but they always wave you on. And then they'll wait and they'll wait and they'll wave you on more. And you're like, no, you go. And they're like, no, you go. They're waivers. There's waiver people. Comment below. All right, here. All right, welcome back, everybody. We got another test, and this test is going to be a U-turn. I tried it one time a second ago, so I'm pulling back around because I thought it was interesting. Last time it almost did it. It actually did it, but it wasn't perfect. So I'm going to do it again. I want to get it on video and show the world. Let's see how she does with U-turn. A little jerky, but pretty good. All right, here we go. Now, earlier it sat here for a grip. Doing it again. All right, so I'm gonna give it a little acceleration. And just a tap. Now she's out there. All right, she got the creeping forward. Left turn, U-turn, here we go, baby. Let's go, Tesla. Now it does go into this other lane and hit this stop sign. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and, okay, it's still just kind of creeping along. There it goes, now it's great. All right, so I'm gonna turn it off, practice one more time, and then see if it gets better. I wanna see it get better. And if it can't get better this quickly, you know, maybe it takes longer. Maybe it needs a whole update, but I want to try this again, see if we get that U-turn. I don't know if it's waiting. No, it's definitely not waiting. It's just stuck here. I don't know why. It's just checking, or it's creeping. There's someone just sitting here, so I want to let them go. Oh, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and go. They signaled for me to go, so I'm gonna try to get it to go. And it did it. Let's see if it stays in the lane. And oh, it's trying to stay in the lane. It really did try to get back in. Yeah, let's go, Tesla. Okay, why it's going back over there, I don't know. All right, I'm giving it one more shot. Giving it one more shot. Here we go. Third attempt. U-turn. I'm gonna let this car go first. I want to really give it a test here without anyone behind me pressuring me to go. All right, here we go. U-turn. Come on, you got it. There we go. And the GPS is a little weird. It's not perfect. So I'm pretty surprised right here that it actually gets this. So again, still kind of stuck right here. I'm gonna give it a little tap. Okay. Now it's got the creep. No one's around. Should be able to go. Go, Tesla. Let's do it. No. Okay. Yes, Tesla. No. Oh, come on. Okay. Oh, man. All right, Tesla U-turn, test try number 4. Here we go. All right, car behind me, so I'm gonna give it the acceleration a little bit more on this one. All right, here we go. Give it the U, give it the U. Oh, it doesn't want to U-turn anymore. Now it just wants to go left turn. Huh, crazy. here we go. Tesla U-turn test number 5. All right. No, I did not press the pedal. Automatically creeped. Let's go U-turn, come on. Or it doesn't like this car. Oh, waited for the car. Come on, U-turn. Come on, U-turn. Come on, U-turn. Yes, Tesla. Yes, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, you got it. You're in the middle, you might as well go. All right, good enough. Yeah, Tesla. That was pretty sick. That was pretty sick, I gotta say. I'm gonna go one last shot. This will be the final one. All right, I'm gonna set up home. Here we go. Tesla U-turn test number 6. Here we go. Okay, no creep line. No creep line. I'm going to give it a little acceleration. All right. I'm going to let, okay, we're going to, one more acceleration. All right. There we go. They can go whenever they want. Oh, where? Oh, okay. Oh. It didn't want to do it. That car tripped it out. Let's give it one more shot. It's what that guy gets for being one of those wave people. Hate those people. Please, I hope everyone out there agrees. Comment down below. This is like the most important thing in any of my videos. Comment down below if you hate those people at always stops that they should obviously just go, but they always wave you on, and then they'll wait and they'll wait and they'll wave you on more, and you're like, no, you go, and they're like, no, you go, and they're waivers, those waiver people. Comment below. All right, here we go. Tesla U-turn test number 7. And some of these tests are GPS problems. They really are. But because it actually gets it, it does amaze me. Here we go, creeped. Here we go, U-turn. I see it, it's going, but it just goes too wide sometimes. It's just sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't. All right. You know, I want to see it get it perfect, but honestly, I can't do this all day. All right. Tesla U-turn test number 8. Let's go, Tesla. Come on. I've seen you do it many times. I want to see you do it perfectly. This is it. Tesla U-turn test number 8. All right. Little acceleration. There's got the creep line. Here it goes. Let's go, Tesla. Just no, don't go that way. Please. Do me right. Do the U-turn. U-turn test. It's a U-turn test, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go, Tesla. Yeah, baby. U-turn 8 tries. Let's go. Well, that was pretty amazing.